Hi all, let us study about biosphere reserves and wildlife sanctuaries. What are biosphere reserves? A biosphere reserve is a great initiative toward the protection of nature and making sure the healthy growth of the local economy at the same time. Biosphere reserves include one or more sanctuaries and national parks. Here protection is provided to all living organisms around the boundaries. The basic purpose of biosphere reserve is that to increase the involvement of local communities and motivate them to conserve the biodiversity of this region. Currently, there are 18 biosphere reserves in India. This is the basic structure of a biosphere reserve. The innermost layer is the core zone, then the buffer zone, and the outer layer is the transition zone. The core zone is the safest area of the biosphere reserve and it may include endemic animals and plants. A core area being a sanctuary or national park is protected under the Wildlife Act 1972. No human activity and reserve activities are allowed only for certain extent. The buffer zone surrounds the core zone. Limited activities are allowed only to keep the core zone safe. Example, limited recreation, limited grazing, etc. And research activities are also allowed. The transition zone is the outermost part of the biosphere reserve. Greatest activities permitted to increase the human and economic development that is sustainable. This includes cropland settlements and managed forest for economic uses. This is a list of biosphere reserves in India. And examples for most important biosphere reserves in India are Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Great Rann of Kutch, Dibru-Saikhowa, Panna Biosphere Reserve, etc. Next is wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuary is an area where birds, other animals and flora are safeguarded and preserved safely in their natural habitats to protect them from illicit activities like poaching and animal trafficking. It is declared by state government under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Killing, hunting and capturing of animals is prohibited. There are currently 567 wildlife sanctuaries in India. Some of the examples for the important wildlife sanctuaries in India are Corbett Wildlife Sanctuary, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Sundarbans Wildlife Sanctuary, and Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary. Here are the references used, and thank you for watching.